Here I have OPPO A15s, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume button functions in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera. Then tap on three lines, go to its settings, and here you can find volume button. And here you can change its function. You can use it just to switch volume, you can use it as shutter button or you can use it to zoom in or out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.